I just discovered this website where you can download all these funny sound effects that you've been searching for. Just head over to your browser and type realmoneystudio.com. Then you click on where they say sound effects and look at all of them here.
70 years old man. Photo.
So all of them, you can just find them here. So whenever you see anyone you want to download, just click on this place that says download page. It's going to open a new page for you where you can just scroll down and click on download mp3. Save this video now and share it with your friend. Type sound in the comment section and I'm going to send it to your DM. My name is Korede Latif. I'm that your video sales guru.